Ever wanted a supercar but wanted to keep it at your mechanic shop? Well, look no further, because today we have the exquisite Maserati MC20, or better known in-game as the Lampadati Corsita. The original Maserati coming out back in 2022, but it is now available with the new criminal update and criminal enterprise update. I gotta figure out a better way to say that. Now, if this ain't one of the most elegant vehicles you've ever seen, I don't know what to tell you other than you're probably wrong. Everything on the front of this vehicle speaks in form and function, from the bass mouth grill opening to the front splitters here, and what most likely would be the brake cooling ducts here on the sides of the grill. Don't mind the stain there. I ran into an incident on the way here. And speaking of ducts, just look how many there are. I mean, there's two here on the hood for wheel pressure relief. A little tiny one there on the bonnet. We got two over here on the rear, on the bottom rear of the doors along the side skirts, and then two massive ones here breaking the shoulder line, revealing even more ducting. And as you go to the rear, there's just more vents, absolutely insane amount of vents on this car. And speaking of the rear, just look how sleek it looks. It's perfect. Didn't want to go too crazy, so I just went with the stock diffuser and a little quad pipe. I really ain't got no complaints from the rear, other than the brake lights. They're tiny. So when you're playing chase, it gets pretty difficult to see them, especially if when you're heavy on the brake lights. Good thing we got the ABS here, so they blink a little. You'll be able to tell. So let's open up these epic butterfly doors here. Hop in the interior. Nothing too special. It's just the racing interior with the new exotic vehicles. Not much to the customization. Does have a cool digital analog readout on the dashboard when you're driving around. But let's pop open the hood and take a walk towards the back of the vehicle here. Take a look at the money maker. Pulling up to the party with an honorable 3-liter twin turbo V6 capable of 621 horsepower and a top speed of 200 miles an hour. We have the Maserati Nettuno 90-degree engine, which is claimed to be 100% Maserati made, but anyone with a close eye can tell that's a Ferrari engine that belongs in an Alfa Romeo. And yeah, Maserati, you ain't tricking or fooling nobody with that. But with that said, let's hop back in, start her up, and hopefully it stops raining by later on tonight, and I'll see you in traffic. Oh yeah, mint.
But mint does look good. Let me just throw my favorite engine sound on here real quick. I believe it is the... Actually, I have a new favorite engine sound. It is it's the McLaren, bro. That shit just sounds tough.
I'm using what is it, the Audi V8 sound with this one.
Oh wow.
What?
They both died.
Yeah. Yep.
Back at the same time.
I was like, wow, they both died?
I hope they at least knew better than to be carrying important stuff on.
Oh, probably
Do
not.
these guys have houses and stuff?
One of them does.
Okay, that's what I was saying. What the fuck? I just died out of nowhere.
No, you probably from a heist.
You might have been hungry. Wait, hold on.
This back window provides you nothing.
It might have been starvation. Alright, I just had to type that out. 40 mil dirty money. Ah, I got it. Or thirst. You might have been mad dehydrated.
Yeah.
Then we should Dude, this engine sound makes this thing sound fucking mean. And I only do like 200.
Yeah, it makes me feel faster. I had to slow down. I saw a car fucking merging.
Fucking texting while driving over here.
Right, so dangerous. Stay to the right to make, but I'm going straight.
You're going straight?
Yeah, but I stay to the right so I don't get clapped.
That was whack and died out of nowhere. We were in the deluxe though. Shit.
I got shot down, son.
Shit. You should have got there faster. Tell him, no hezzy, no mercy.
Yeah, fat.
Just hit him with that real quick.
Oh, I figured. I figured. I figured how
Figured
what
something.
the blinker buttons, they're built in apparently.
Wait. Like actually?
Yeah, it's the comma and the period. Wait, where are you? In front of me, behind me?
Like shift comma period? Because for me, that changes my radio.
Yeah, but it'll turn on your blinker too.
Oh shit! Wait, I already had. Wait, no, I already set mine to that naturally.
Yeah.
I changed that in the because I didn't have anything set for it, so it's like, what do you want the blinkers to be? And in the manual transmission mod, those are the buttons that I put.
Oh, I didn't even know it had a configuration, but that's it.
Wait. Because that's what I've been pressing, and you're like, yo, I can't see your blinkers.
No,
Go ahead, hit.
you can't see them, but
That's what it is.
yeah.
Wait, so without the manual transmission configuration, that's what it is normally.
Yeah, I think so.
No, because I was looking for the key command in the game settings, and there wasn't one for it.
No, I think that's part of manual transmission. That's what I mean.
Oh. Yeah, I remember having to set that myself. Bro, ever since you showed
It's so tricky.
we went just a little too fast.
It's a good run though through here.
I like it. Ever since you pointed it out, I've been taking it.
There isn't one.
There's a heist on the yacht.
Nah.
No whole bag, I don't act cool, just smile at you all. Now turn around, then drop it down for this hip nigga. I'm throwing money, I'm dropping knowledge, I'm gassing nigga. I'll tell you something, I'll tell you once, won't beat nigga. Beating 90 since golden hour, won't beat nigga. Beat nigga.
His name makes me think of Jamie Foxx because it says Jackson.
I'll go right. Oh my God.
Almost made it, or I didn't see your guys spin out, so you must have made it.
Yeah, all the traffic started doing the fucking, I'm going left.
Oh shit. We got squirrely right as you showed up. I said, let me let go of everything. Oh my God. Look, oh damn, bro, why did he? Oh, almost ran into a cop. NPC just ate it real bad. They almost fell off the bridge.
Bro, there's dead spoiler in this car.
Why just put this shit?
It's good. I was cutting up
Oh my
before.
God.
Oh. Ah, I was cutting up before with it, and the spoiler kept getting caught between fucking the box trucks.
I didn't know the spoiler could actually catch on to things.
Yeah, if it's too big. Oh damn, I just realized I'm the wrong side of the road. Look at that cut.
I'm on two wheels. Oh, sorry.
Oh, fucking spoiler.
I forgot to shoot.
You can run.
I was gonna head that way. I heard it. I heard the telepathy, bro. You said it before you needed to say it. I think I just subconsciously know the path. I panicked. That Jeep got fucked. Yeah, get out of my way,
Oh.
What happened?
You went to the outside or whatever, and I just did
I
it.
hit the oncoming ramp real quick because it still counted. I hit it while it counted.
Yeah, I did not have the grace on the time. This damn spoiler keeps clapping things.
Do something about that. Might as well just hit beakers real quick.
Yeah, change the spoiler.
But I feel like you have no excuse. I'm going to wide body, like super wide.
Yeah, but the spoiler is my spoiler is wider than the car.
I think my whole car is wider than you. It's like the same size as your spoiler. Hold on, let's.
Nah. We'll measure at beacon.
I don't know how you squeezed through that. It did not look like you should have fit from where I'm looking.
I'm playing in first person. Oh my god.
I realized how fast I was coming up. I really tried to slam on the brakes.
You know what helps when you use the brakes? Downshift. Like 1, 2, 3 gears at a time. If you want that fast slowdown.
So that's how I fuck up the engine. Right?
Don't worry about fucking up the engine. You need to slow down.
There's like an invisible force field around this car. Because I'll hit things without hitting them. Like I graze past them and they just get bumped out of the way. It's fucking hilarious. Oh, what the fuck?
What happened?
I don't know. But it must have been pretty bad because my engine light came on. I might be driving too hard.
Jeez, I might be driving too hard.
I've like money shifted twice.
Oh shit.
I tried to slow down.
I gotta tell that kid how many heists there are.
I think there are, I counted them once, like 9 and 10 in total.
That's not bad.
Yeah. They're quite a bit. Maybe 8. Maybe, I might be exaggerating. It could be 7 or 8. I know there were a lot. This car wants to do 200 so bad, just for him to
Voiceover me here. Hope you liked what you've seen. Links for the mods are in the description as always. If you want to join us on the 5M server, links for that in the description through the Discord. And hope you liked everything you see. Catch you next one. Peace.